Oh my God, I got Munchies seafood and grill today. This is the flaming burger. Holy shit, that bitch got Cheetos. That cheese about to start dripping off. Good God. Mmm. Y'all see the mess it made on my face? God, it busted all over me. First bite was so crazy. It looked like I ate that bitch with my face. This shit good as fuck. $13-piece catfish nugget. Not gonna lie, I had this place before. It ain't as good as it was the first time. This shit's still good though. French fries. Asheville hot boneless wings. Mmm. 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 Yo, how do niggas be doing this full mukbangs like this? I'm about to be full already. Philly cheesesteak fries. Oh, look at that. Oh my, y'all ain't even see that cheese pour. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my. Mm. I need to go back to Munchies right now. Go up to that chef and smack him on his behind because he done did his thing with this one. Munchies, 10 out of 10, 20 out of 10, 30 out of 10, 50 out of 10.